Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect a Tuya smart device using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Tuya smart app and make sure you are logged into your account. Before connecting the device, make sure your iPhone is connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and turn Bluetooth on. Most Tuya device does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Now turn on your Tuya device. Reset it so it's ready to connect. Hold the power or reset button for 5 to 10 seconds or turn the device off and on. Wait until the light blinks fast. This means the device is in pairing mode. Open the Tuya app, tap the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. A small menu will appear, then tap on Add Device. Choose Auto Scan or select the device type manually. When the app asks select the Wi-Fi network or enter the Wi-Fi password, then tap next. The app will now connect the device to Wi-Fi. Keep your phone close to the device. After a few seconds, you will see a device connected successful, and then tap done. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to connect to your device using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.